Hey everyone, welcome back to our fitness channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite fitness challenges, the Burpee challenge. If you're looking for an intense and effective full body workout, this challenge is for you. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. First, let's talk about what a burpee is. It's a fantastic compound exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including your chest, shoulders, arms, legs, and core. It's a great way to improve your cardiovascular fitness, strength, and endurance. There are so many benefits to doing burpees. First, they're time efficient. You can do burpees anytime, anywhere, and you don't need any equipment. Plus, they're a high-intensity exercise that can help you burn a lot of calories and boost your metabolism. Burpees also challenge your coordination, agility, and balance, making them a great functional exercise for everyday life. Now, let's talk about the Burpee challenge. It's a challenge that involves setting a goal to complete a certain number of burpees within a specific time frame. You can customize the challenge based on your fitness level and goals. For example, you can start with a beginner-friendly goal of 25 burpees a day for a week and gradually increase the number of burpees or the duration of the challenge as you progress. To successfully complete the Burpee challenge, here are some tips. Pace yourself. Burpees can be intense, so it's important to pace yourself and listen to your body. Start with a realistic goal that challenges you but is still manageable. Focus on proper form. Maintaining proper form is crucial to avoid injury and get the most out of your burpees. Make sure to perform each rep with correct technique, including a plank position, a controlled jump, and a smooth transition. Warm up and cool down. Before starting the challenge, warm up with some dynamic stretches and movements to prepare your body. And don't forget to cool down with some static stretches and deep breaths after each session. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to any fitness challenge. Try to do your burpees at the same time each day or at regular intervals to stay on track. Stay motivated. Burpees can be tough, but remember why you're doing the challenge and keep yourself motivated. Celebrate your progress, track your results, and reward yourself for reaching your goals. I've personally taken on the Burpee challenge, and let me tell you, it's not easy, but it's so worth it. It pushed me to improve my strength, endurance, and mental toughness. I felt accomplished and proud of myself for completing the challenge, and I know you can do it too. So, there you have it, folks. The Burpee challenge is a fantastic way to challenge yourself, improve your fitness, and achieve your goals. Are you up for the challenge? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.